Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be sharing with you some very easy to follow tutorials. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the most simplest, easiest ways to do crochet braids and to do crochet braid patterns. Yes, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced crocheter, this video will show you the easiest techniques to create beautiful crochet braids and patterns, from a basic installation to more intricate installations. Most of all, you can do these braids yourself. Yes, these crochet braid styles you can do yourself. They are all DIY styles. So, get your crochet needle together because this video is going to take your crochet stick skills to the next level. After this video, you will be able to create the most stunning, most beautiful crochet styles. So, get your crochet hair and your latch hook and let's get busy. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.